Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to store the data in local database. So for that, I am using the share process. So I will explain you how to integrate this share process in Flutter. Don't skip the video. Please try to watch entire video. Otherwise, you are unable to understand. So actually, share process will be the internal package of the Flutter. So by using this, we will able to store any type of data in local storage. So for that one, I am taking one stateful widget, my home page. So after that, so return, I am adding one column on widget, not column, scaffold. So to take scaffold widget, inside the body, I am adding column widget, children, main axis max, taking one container, child, okay, controller, after on changed, declaration, input declaration, enter text, enter the name, enter style, color black, font size 20. Okay, done. After this, constant and give margin. Next field is completed. So below I am taking the one button, margin, open, child, elevated button, compressed, child, insert data. So after that, I'm taking one list view builder, list view dot builder, item count. For that one, I am taking one list, list dot length. For that, I have to take container, container, child text, list of index, posting metric, and giving the margin, here I am taking string wrap true. So instead of container, I am adding card elevation 5. So this is done. So why I'm taking this list view means whenever the data is inserted, I want to display the data, whatever the data is inserted in database now. So that from the database, I have to display the data with the help of this list view dot builder. So this button, this elevated button will help to insert the data into the local database. This is the text field. Whatever the text we entered in this text field, that text will be inserted into our local database. For that purpose, we are taking one text field. For storing the text, we are using the elevated button. For whatever the data is inserted into the DB, so for displaying the DB data with the help of this list view dot builder. Okay. So now let's run the code and check how. Okay, our app is launched. So enter the name. Text field is coming. This text field below the button inserted data elevated button is came. So below list view builder we have, but the initially list will be empty now. We are not inserting any data. Okay, so that's why it is showing empty. So what we have to do for inserting the data, we have to take one function void insert data into local storage. Shared preferences, share preferences, new shared preferences, shared. Yes. We have to add new. We have to take async by now. After that, share preferences dot insert set here. See, here we have to be set. These are the options the share preference package will giving. Set boolean, set double, set int, set string, set list of string. So these type of values we will able to insert into the share preferences. So now I am using set string list, this one, because I have to store the list now. So that's why I had taken this one string list. So here I am giving the key is the list value will be list. Name list, key is name list. Okay. So after that, so here I am taking future boolean return true. Future get 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 local storage list. Saying same copy and paste here. Return get get string list. Have that name list. This will not it will not be null. So by using this function we will able to insert data into local by using this function to fetch whatever data we stored in local. So first of all we are inserting this data. So wherever the elevated button is there, we are calling this one. After that, here we are adding. So this list dot add text edit controller dot text. After that, the list will be inserted into the DB. The help of this function. Okay, for fetching, we will do one thing. We will remove this one. Here, what we have to do? This one list equal to. Okay, done. So after that, no need to return anything because it is now run and check how it is. Error calling runtime. Some error is coming. Okay. Now So here I am entering my name, Hussein, getting the data. Okay. So after inserting, we have to fetching the data now. So here only, so here taking one boolean. Boolean is data inserted await function sync if is data is data inserted. All this one. Now send yes yes as is coming. After that I am adding Hussein. Hussein is also coming. Irija is coming. Sai is coming. Muhammad is coming. Niyaz is coming. So this data is inserting into the local. So here what it is, the whatever the data is displaying in the list now, that is coming from the DB local database. So with the help of this function, we are displaying the this list, this list. So like this way we are able to insert the data into the local. So if you like the video, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So this video will might be helpful to you. Share to your friends and give a like. Thank you.